Hi, my name is Sam Biddlecombe. I'm the Motion Product Specialist here at EandM, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Siemens Smart Access Module, otherwise known as the SAM. In just a few short minutes, I'll teach you how to install, access, and start commissioning and troubleshooting your drive all wirelessly. Little background information, the Smart Access Module is a compact plug-and-play accessory for your VFD that turns it into a wireless access point. It is compatible with most of the G-Series drives in our catalog as well as the V20, enabling connection via your phone, tablet, or computer with no additional software required. Next, we'll get a more hands-on with installation of the SAM. To begin your installation, it is a good practice to first power down your drive, making sure to always follow proper lockout and /tagout procedures, although hot swapping of the SAM is permissible. Next, we'd want to remove the cover of the front of the control unit if it hasn't been already. In our case, it has been to make way for the installation of the IOP, so we're just going to swap those out now. The clip on the top down, pull out, exposing the RJ connection port here, and mount our SAM in the same place. Do note that the SAM installs just like its counterparts, the IOP and BOP. Once it's secured, you want to restore power to the drive. In our case, we hot swapped, so we see that the SAM will power on automatically and confirm connection to the drive, as can be seen here in the LED configuration. If your SAM, let's say though, is fresh out of the box, please make sure to press and hold the WLAN button for at least 3 seconds to establish and enable the broadcasting of your Wi-Fi signal. Once this step is done, the SAM will begin broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal automatically upon future startups. Now we are all set to connect to our Smart Access module. At this time, please take note of the LED configuration present on it. You should have a green communication LED and an orange broadcast signal LED present, conferring that we have established connection between module and drive and are broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal that is yet to be connected to by a trusted source. To connect to said source, we're going to go on to, in this case, a laptop, open up our settings, show available networks, and find our Smart Access module. Out of the box, the default name is G120 Smart Access underscore a particular unique 6-digit code. In my case, 34013B. I'm going to click on connect. First time connection will prompt me with a password where the default password is 1234567 You can find this information in the pamphlet that comes with every Smart Access module's box. In my case, I'm going to enter in the password I have changed it to from use, and it will be checking the network requirements. Although, if you've entered the proper password into it, you will see the broadcast signal LED switch to green, meaning we have established connection and can connect to our Smart Access module. We'll want to go to a trusted browser. I'm using Edge, and I'm going to type in the following IP address, 192.168.1.1. Wait for the page to load, and we are in. We can see the 6 options here for our Smart Access module, similar to what we would see on our IOP. We have our quick setup for commissioning of the drive, jogging for taking manual hand control of the drive to jog and set various RPM and speeds to run our drive, the diagnostics tab, which will show any present or the history of faults and alarms in the drive. As you can see in the top right, we have a present alarm. It is identified here as a drive no motor ID. It can give us a cause and remedy when we click on said alarm or fault to drop down the menu. To go back, we can hit this up arrow, or to navigate to one of the other options, we can click the hamburger in the top left and choose from the options here. In this case, I'm just going to do the back option. We have our parameter list, similar to the IOP and what you would see on TAA Portal, to open up all of your parameters and their values on the right, and go through and click and change on them as we so desire. We have monitoring to monitor real-life values and parameters of the motor that is connected to said drive. And last but not least, we have the backup and restore option to click in, and with one simple click, back up our drive to a file of our choosing. We can also choose these options below to upload any files, so backup and the restore option. We also have deleting of any saved parameter sets and lists, as well as a way to upload and save to an SD card or non-volatile memory. Also, good practice before exiting out of your use of a smart access module. Click this gear down below, go to your Wi-Fi configuration, and here you can change and update your SSID and your password for your smart access module. In conclusion, the Smart Access module is all about simplicity. It removes the need for external tools, makes commissioning mobile friendly, and keeps your workflow fast and wireless. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to review the step-by-step recap of setting up your SAM, and I'll see you in the next one.